What did you say, Tone?
Might need your help.
Why?
Lost the rear brake.
Lost your rear brake. See you, Tone. Good luck with it, mate. I'll see you at the ferry. G'day everybody, welcome back. Well, we just rolled into Margate to the Margate train and had a little leg stretch. We're heading today to Bruny Island. Now Bruny Island sits off the coast of Tasmania, and I've been there a couple of times because my wife's grandmother used to live there, and I have been there before on bikes. On the old CB 450 actually, but I've never been there on a bike since. So this is a new one for me today. Looking forward to it. Although we are supposed to get some bloody rain later. God, I'm over it. Oh, whinge, first world problems. Right, let's go to the ferry. Bloody battery went flat in this GoPro. I don't know when, so if I've lost anything, I apologise. Here we are in Kettering, about to catch the ferry to Bruny Island.
Is he meant to have two headlights on? One's died.
When he puts it on high beam, only the high beam comes on. When he puts on low beam, both of them come on, so that's as good as it's going to get.
I can't go over there, I'll crash.
Just they're gonna have to empty this first, Dutch. I wouldn't be sitting there. No, anyway.
The flower power squad, mate.
Hey?
Flower power squad. I bet that camper smells like weed.
No, you think? Travelling in a fried out combi on a hippie trail, head full of zombie.
Yeah, you got the vegetarian everything in there, wouldn't you?
So the young lady at the start said when the boat takes off and when it's docking, hold on to your bike.
motorcycle. But sadly, if you have a sidecar, it's $46. I think you should get onto that immediately.
Dutchie loves men.
That's it. Barry loves cock.
They're going to let them go first. They're going to let them go first.
Oh no, I'm just getting ready. I don't want to drop my bike on the ramp. What's he doing?
That'd be embarrassing.
Right, guys. Thanks, mate. Have a great day.
Right. Bruny Island. Woohoo. It's been a while. We're all here, aren't we?
You're all here?
Yep. Yep. Here's one more. No, I actually don't even know where we're going. I'm following him. Come on. Blinker, 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 blinker. That indicator will now be on until we next stop. Or he turns right somewhere. Yeah, so I don't know how much I missed of that ride into Kettering, but anyway, we go to the township of Kettering and then you get on a ferry, obviously, and come across to Bruny Island. There's lots to see and do on Bruny Island. And we'll be doing none of it. We're just riding to a pub and have lunch. But if you've got a road bike, you can come over here. If you've got an adventure bike, you can come over here because there's plenty of dirt roads and trails to explore. There's penguin nookeries and there's, yeah, it's the Bruny Island adventures down here from Adventure Bay, where you can get on Pentecost boat and go out and look at the seal colonies in the Southern Ocean. I've done that. It is worth it. It is brilliant. God, they stink, those seals. Oh. And there's cheese and there's cherries and there's all sorts of wonderful things over here. So one of the things that Tasmania does really well is dairy. They're kind of on a par with New Zealand, really, I think. The Bruny Island House of Whiskey. Get that into you. Dennis Point. That's where my wife's grandmother used to live. Ooh, Tassie oysters are awesome. They are beautiful. They leave those things you get in Sydney and that for dead. Absolutely. Yes. It feels like there's something crawling inside my helmet and I don't like it. It's right here. I think I'm suffering from carpal tunnel. My thumb and first couple of fingers keep getting numb. I suffer it more in this riding position than I do folded up onto a sports bike. It's all right. I can manage it. I just got to, every now and then I just pop the cruise control on and ring out the right hand, ring out the left hand. Okay, this is the neck. This used to all be gravel. I think it was gravel the last time I came through here. So this is where the penguin nookery is. Rookery, sorry. Nookery. You muppet. Yes, but you got to climb up these stairs and that to go and have a look, but yeah. It's very nice. Okay, we're not going to Adventure Bay. It's nice down there. Okay, that's a small little church. Oh shit, I'll take it we're here, Dodgy.
Wasn't that nice?
That was alright, a little slow.
I thought that was quite pleasant.
Yeah, it was alright.
We've lost people.
A little slow.
A little slow for you.
Yeah, but it was still nice. I'm going to put the drone up.
Hey,
You're going to put a drone up?
tell you what, I could hear you guys. I fucking sneezed in my home. I could hear you guys' butthole pucker when that little ambo car was parked on its side as we were coming around the thing. I thought it was a cop.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
No. And we'll just ride until we've got no batteries left. Now we've had a little bit of a shower. Had a nice lunch though. Didn't have lunch at the pub. We had lunch over at the snack bar. Bloody beautiful little hamburger. It was nice. You're very community minded, Baldrick. Oh, goody. A rolling roadblock. Stevie's behind me on his GS 1200. He's got these driving lights. Can you see him in the mirror? Yeah, man, they're pretty bright. Ooh, is he coming to get me? Is he coming to get me? God damn. Rough uneven surface. I don't think it was that bad coming in, but everything feels smooth as silk on sky hook suspension. Especially in touring mode, it's just sublime. Just in case I run out of battery. Thanks for watching. Ride safe. I'll catch you next time on Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions. Bye for now.